Parrot. This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. I found them! Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow! Wow! Woo!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty!
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Mango. Mango! Mango!
Wow!
Wow! Amazing! I want this. Ball! 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 I want this. Hat! Hat! Hat!
Hey!
The parrot is really awesome! I want this. Orange! 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 I want this. Apple! Apple! Apple!
Wow!
Wow! Amazing! Daddy Parrot has brought some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot.